Let's go for the if statement. It's all the languages they have it. Let me find out the syntax for Python. So in Python, I create variable at this case. I say, for example, age. Let me get 18, and then I say that if age print for exam. Then I use else, and then I have to use double quote. So else print cannot. Okay, let me run this one. Yeah, he can take the exam because he's 18. So right now if I put 16 here, then it say no. So in Python, the if statement is here. So this is variable, or I can, instead, even if I don't put here, I can a number here. So I say here it is, and if I say 19, it's same thing. If 19 is bigger than 17, do certain thing for me. So the if statement here is if the expression colon and then a statement. Watch out here. If I don't indent here, what will happen? Give me error message. So Python has indentation and have to have at least 2 space indent until that statement works. Belongs to this statement. So it should be if expression, we put the expression here and then colon, and we can have 10, 20, 40 line here to be executed, and then go to the next one. It may not need it, probably put else. It's, it's, for example, only if we want to know that if that person is greater than 17, otherwise just get exit, that's it. So we don't need anything else at this point. Okay, so that is if statement. So again, if and the expression and the colon and all the statement that should be executed at this point. And else, we are able to have 2 if statement on that one. So for example, if I say that if is 19, this one, again I say if at this point, if 16 greater than 15, print true. I can have 2, 3 statement here. See, the first one is true, the second one is true, so is executed condition, second condition even tested. But if it's not, it's not going to, it's only happened the first one executed. We are able to use it, other thing, I can use it if it's greater or if it's greater than equal. So I just put 19 here, that makes sure it works. So see here. But if I put this one, if it's greater or equal, but if I just put listen, if I put just 19, it's not going to work it. 19 is greater, no. But if it's greater or equal, do that one. I can have this expression not less than. If this is less than 16, that is, I put a 20, that is going to be, 19 is less than 20, yes it is. So it's going to execute it. If I is going to be 17, it's not going to do anything. So here it is, nothing is going to be done. So we are able to use it, or I can say if they are equal, this expression, if which is not equal 17, but just only for, thing. I can say if it's not. But if I put both of them 19, yes, they are equal. Yes, execute. I should. That is the assignment. If they are equal, that was assigned equal is double. Oh.